Hello everybody, and welcome to Ancient Architects. Please subscribe now to get the latest ancient history news and independent research from around the world. Archaeologists have discovered more than 20 ancient wooden coffins near the Egyptian city of Luxor, with brightly coloured decorations still visible. According to the press statement, they were discovered as the ancient Egyptians left them, totally undisturbed and intact. They were found at the Theban necropolis of Al-Assasif, on the Nile River's west bank, and the Egyptian Ministry of Antiquities said it was one of the largest and most important discoveries in recent years. They were found spread over 2 layers of a large tomb, with the ones on top across those below as shown here. This is a region close to the Valley of the Kings, but most of the remains found at Al-Assasif are from the ancient Egyptian late period, between 664 and 332 BC. Saying that, and 18th dynasty New Kingdom burials have been found here. Generally, nobles and high officials were buried at the site, and although officials are yet to disclose the period the coffins date from, it is very likely they are from the late period. There isn't a great deal more about this find available yet, as there is a scheduled news conference being held this Saturday about the find, when more information will be released to the public. This find comes less than a week after Egyptian authorities published details of another major discovery in Luxor. Archaeologists discovered an ancient industrial site that was once used to produce decorative items, funerary furniture and pottery for royal tombs. Gold flakes were discovered as well as gold rings and other decorative items that have been interpreted as wings of Horus. It comprised 30 workshops and a large kiln to fire the ceramics, a large sprawling site in Luxor's West Valley, also known as the Valley of the Monkeys. Not many people actually know what is happening in Egypt right now, and although the headlines do reach the Western media, there is so much more activity underway, and is being led by Dr. Zahi Hawass. He is currently searching for the tomb of Queen Nefertiti, the wife of the heretic king Akhenaten, and the tomb of Queen Ankhesenamun, the wife of Tutankhamun, and they are expecting to find them between the tombs of King Amenhotep III and King Ai. But Hawass has also said to the Egyptian media that his team has worked next to the tomb of Ramesses VII, Queen Hatshepsut, Ramesses III, and behind the tomb of King Merneptah, as well as next to the famous tomb of Tutankhamun. They have already uncovered many artifacts, but as of yet there is no sign of a royal tomb, although geophysics results do show that there are tomb-sized cavities in the Valley of the Kings close to the tomb of the boy king, as discussed in a previous video, linked below in the description. The new Grand Egyptian Museum opens next year, which, apart from the Giza Pyramids and the Valley of the Kings, will be the main focal point for tourists. In all honesty, Egypt really needs a major new find, now more than ever, and although the find of 20 unopened coffins and a workshop have hit the headlines in the Western media, such finds won't really do a great deal for tourism. They need a new huge royal find to drive tourism to the new museum, and by the extent of the excavations currently underway, they may well just find it. I have just relaunched my new channel Space and Planet, which looks at Earth and space science news, as well as independent scientific research from around the world. Please subscribe now, I have left the link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching this news update from Ancient Architects. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video, and please leave a comment below. Thank you very much.